Hello class, today we're going to be making snowy owls. So snowy owls live in the Arctic and they are white owls. So we are going to be making it, but we're not going to color anything besides the eyes because again they're all white. But they have this beautiful black spots on them, little dots. So we're going to be starting with a piece of paper, a pencil eraser, and either a Sharpie or a black crayon. We are going to leave 2 fingers on each side so we can take up as much space as possible, okay? So if you want, you can take your pencil, I'm going to do it in Sharpie so you can see better, and make little dashes for how much space you want to, because you want it to start here, go up and around and back down, okay? So I'm going to start from the bottom. I'm gonna go up, and then I'm gonna go back down. And if I don't end right on that line, that's okay. So after I have that, I'm going to draw my eyes. So I have two big circles and 2 smaller circles that go inside. So I'm gonna start by making this circle here, and then another one. If they're not perfect and you need to erase, you can always erase and go back later. So I have 2 big eyes, now I need the 2 smaller eyes. And I'm going to add a little highlight. How I'm going to do that is I'm just going to add a little curve in it, and then later on you can fill this in. Okay, and then I'm going to make my beak. My beak starts out with a circle, and like, look at that. I have a little ghost right there, but we're not going to leave it like that. We're going to turn it into an owl. But I have the circle, and I'm going to make a triangle, and then I'm going to have a highlight on the nose as well, and then go back in ice cream cone. Nice. Then I'm going to color it in with my black crayon or my Sharpie. And I can fix it up a little bit if I want to. If I want to curve out a little bit, I can do that. But it's gonna look something like this. Okay. Then I'm going to make my wings. The wings are gonna come from the side, and they're going to water flow down onto the bottom. I'm going to do that on the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to add the beautiful detail with these dash lines. So I'm going to start it coming in a V-like shape from the forehead, and you know what, I'm going to go all the way down. Now you want your lines to be fairly similar. You don't want a bunch of long lines and then short lines. You want them to be all very similar. Okay, and then I'm going to do the detail on the wing. I'm going to skip the detail on the side, and I'm just going to do the wings because that's the main places they have it. They have it on the top of their head, which I could make this even wider if I wanted to. And then they have it on their wings. So I'm going to follow the same way that the outer line of the wing is, just so it all looks uniformed. And I'll do that on the other side. Snowy owls have to have lots and lots of feathers to survive the Arctic temperatures. Okay, so I have that, And then I'm going to take either orange or yellow crayon. In this case, I have orange and yellow highlighter. I'm going to use the yellow. You can also use marker if you want to. And you're going to color in the eyes, but you don't want to color in the highlight. The highlight should stay white. Take your time, make sure you color in the eyes, because it is the only part that we're going to have color. So we want to color in really nice. And this highlighter is kind of going bad, but there you have it. There is your snowy owl. Hope you had fun. Bye.